Warning, censorship. Warning, censorship.
The Justice Center went into court. We applied to amend this order. We are not the lawyers acting for Whistle Stop, but we went into court to remove the words that made this injunction apply to 4.4 million Albertans. And there were media present in the courtroom on Thursday morning, CBC and some others. And to the best of my knowledge, there's not a single media outlet that reported on this fundamental change to the injunction. So on May 6th, Alberta Health Services went into court to seek an injunction against Whistle Stop Cafe and Chris Scott, and did this without any notice to Whistle Stop, so they had no opportunity to present their arguments to the judge. They had no opportunity to cross-examine Chief Medical Officer Dr. Dina Hinshaw on the affidavit that she had filed. And so on Thursday, May 6th, Justice Rook issued an injunction not only against Whistle Stop, but against anybody in Alberta who has notice of the order. And this authorized police to immediately arrest any person at a peaceful gathering and haul them before a judge, and they would be in contempt of court because there was a specific court injunction applying not only against Whistle Stop Cafe in Mirror, Alberta, but against everybody in Alberta. And police used this. That's what they used to arrest Pastor Artur Pawlowski last weekend. And on Thursday the 13th, 2 days ago, the Justice Center went into court. We applied to amend this order. We are not the lawyers acting for Whistle Stop, but we went into court to remove the words that made this injunction apply to 4.4 million Albertans. And there were media present in the courtroom on Thursday morning, CBC and some others. And to the best of my knowledge, there's not a single media outlet that reported on this fundamental change to the injunction. It's a huge shift because currently the injunction applies only to Whistle Stop Cafe and its owners. So those people can be immediately arrested. And I've heard, I don't know if it's true, I've heard that Chris Scott, the owner of Whistle Stop, was arrested last weekend. But now we've got this huge shift. You can still get a $2,000 ticket if you don't abide by these irrational and unscientific health orders. You can still get a $2,000 ticket, but police can't just handcuff you and haul you before a judge for contempt of court. So it's a huge, huge shift from where things were at on Thursday, May 6th, and where things are at today, 9 days later.
Yeah, we're at Pastor Artur Pawlowski's church here. Pastor Peter's taken over worship. There's no police here. There seems to be no plans to sort of move in on these guys. It's a very different scene altogether.
Well, and I think I hope that the word has gone out. The Justice Center had to do the media's work for the media because the media simply did not report on this shift that took place in court on Thursday morning, May 13th. They did not report on the fact that this injunction, that Justice Rook agreed to amend that injunction so that it no longer applies to every Albertan having notice of the injunction. It's just appalling that media did not report on this.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's unbelievable. And I mean, we've certainly been trying to cover the story, but the other outlets seem to show up for 2 minutes and get a quick update that suits their angle, and then they leave. But we're going to continue telling the story. We're going to be here to bring the truth however it shows itself. And I want to thank the Justice Center as well for doing that, for fighting for freedom, for standing up for the truth. And thanks for this quick update, John. I know it was impromptu, but I'm sure people will be happy to hear it straight from John Carpay himself.
Hey guys, this is extremely important. Rebel News is going to keep fighting to bring you the other side of the story, but it's only a matter of time before YouTube shuts us down entirely. So I need you to go to rebelnews.com now and sign up to make sure you don't miss out on any of the action.